So we've been really slow to get a bike trailer. So my engineering husband said, give me a few minutes in the garage. And he came up with this to keep the kids contained while we go on family bike rides.
Stop talking about it and go on a bike ride.
We will. They're just so cute. Okay, and then the older kids. Eliza, are you gonna scooter?
Dad, you push it back to stop it.
Okay, so it's a bike, scooter, wagon ride. Okay, you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, there's no one. So I just jump.
Wow.
And I can climb down this.
Oh, be so careful, okay? Your feet might be a little slippery.
Whoa. Oh, snap.
Great job.
I'll put up here.
Oh,
Put up here today.
be careful.
Whoa. 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 Down, down, right, harder, down, right, harder, down, harder, down, right, harder, down, right.
You're in the tunnel right now? Where's Forrest? Where could he be? Yoo-hoo! Forrest,
Right here.
come over here.
Right here.
Oh, peekaboo.
Right here. Right here. I have to go down.
Are you in the tunnel again?
Uh-huh.
Where's Henry?
Oh no.
You don't know?
Oh.
Here comes Henry. Both Eliza and Henry are waiting for bike upgrades. They've both outgrown their bikes. Look how pretty the mountain is. It's definitely warm today, in the mid to high 70s. There's still snow. Hey Henry, do you want to take a spin with Dad? He's going to ride on Mama's bike.
What?
Do you want to take a spin with Dad? He's going to ride on Mama's bike.
Can I go around one with you?
Do you want my helmet?
No.
He's going to ride. Daddy's going to ride on Mama's bike.
So far.
Mama will stay with you.
I rode 1 mile now.
You've ridden a mile?
I went
Plus more than that, because we rode over here from our house.
Oh yeah, so that's probably like, yeah, that's about 2 miles.
Where do you want to go?
Forrest, you can stay with Mama. Oh, my battery just died.